Welcome to the Intelligence Test channel. Today we have prepared 135 questions about the animal kingdom that will challenge your mind. If you get 100 out of these 135 questions right, you can consider yourself a well-informed person. Each question will present 4 answer choices, and you will have 5 seconds to think and choose the correct option. In addition, there will also be true or false questions. That said, let's begin. Which of these is not an insect? Ant, grasshopper, spider, or butterfly? The correct answer is option C, spider. Which of these animals usually sleeps, on average, 18 to 22 hours a day? Horse, elephant, lion, or koala? The correct answer is option D, koala. What is the name of the fish shown in the picture below? Clownfish, pufferfish, angelfish, or seahorse? The correct answer is option D, seahorse. On which continent are giraffes naturally found? Asia, Africa, South America, or Europe? The correct answer is option B, Africa. What is the fastest insect in the world? Tiger beetle, dragonfly, fly, or ant? The correct answer is option A, tiger beetle. What is the name of the bird shown in the picture below? Kiwi, penguin, rhea, or ostrich? The correct answer is option A, kiwi. Dolphins are carnivorous animals. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. A rat's tail is longer than its head and body combined. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. How many bones make up the skeleton of an adult horse? 180, 205, 210, or 230? The correct answer is option B, 205. Which animal has the best hearing in the animal kingdom? Bat, beaver, wax moth, or owl? The correct answer is option C, wax moth. Which animal has the strongest bite in the world? Lion, crocodile, wolf, or hippopotamus? The correct answer is option B, crocodile. Which insect appears every 17 years? Praying mantis, cicada, cricket, or monarch butterfly? The correct answer is option B, cicada. Walruses live in the seas of Antarctica. Is this statement true or false? The statement is false. Among the options below, which species is considered the largest shark in the world? Great white shark, hammerhead shark, whale shark, or tiger shark? The correct answer is option C, whale shark. What is the name of the animal shown in the picture below? Wildcat, fossa, lynx, or mongoose? The correct answer is option B, fossa. Approximately, how many centimeters long is a giraffe's tongue? 30 centimeters, 75 centimeters, 25 centimeters, or 50 centimeters? The correct answer is option D, 50 centimeters. What is the name of the insect shown in the picture below? Praying mantis, cricket, stick insect, or ladybug? The correct answer is option C, stick insect. How many wings does a dragonfly have? 2, 4, 6, or 8? The correct answer is option B, 4. What is the name of the animal shown in the picture below? Giant anteater, pangolin, hedgehog, or armadillo? The correct answer is option B, pangolin. Female fireflies cannot fly. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. The Chihuahua is considered the smallest dog breed in the world. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. How many species of zebras are there? 3, 5, 2, or 4? The correct answer is option A, 3. Which animal has the longest memory? Dolphin, dog, elephant, or crow? The correct answer is option A, dolphin. Which is considered the largest insect in the world? Giant weta, Atlas moth, praying mantis, or Goliath beetle? The correct answer is option D, Goliath beetle. What is the name of the creatures that feed on wood, shown in the picture below? Ants, praying mantis, beetles, or termites? The correct answer is option D, termites. Approximately, how many days does the gestation period of a domestic dog last? 45 to 55 days, 58 to 68 days, 75 to 82 days, or 83 to 97 days? The correct answer is option B, 58 to 68 days. What is the name of the animal shown in the picture below? Mammoth, African elephant, mastodon, or woolly rhinoceros? The correct answer is option A, mammoth. What is the fastest aerial animal in the world? Peregrine falcon, golden eagle, swallow, or pigeon? The correct answer is option A, peregrine falcon. What is the fastest land animal in the world? Lion, leopard, cheetah, or horse? The correct answer is option C, cheetah. Which is the fastest animal in the world, peregrine falcon or cheetah? The correct answer is option A, peregrine falcon. Which is the most developed sense in sharks? Vision, smell, hearing, or touch? The correct answer is option B, smell. What are the vertebrate animals that live both in water and on land called? Reptiles, mammals, amphibians, or birds? The correct answer is option C, amphibians. What is the name of the fish shown in the picture below? Clownfish, lionfish, angelfish, or pufferfish? The correct answer is option B, lionfish. Male mosquitoes do not feed on blood. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. In the past, the Romans believed that giraffes were the result of crossing a camel and a leopard. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. According to its diet, what is the orangutan? Carnivore, insectivore, frugivore, or herbivore? The correct answer is option C, frugivore. What is the main food in the diet of adult pandas? Fruits, honey, fish, or bamboo? The correct answer is option D, bamboo. Which insect was considered sacred in ancient Egypt? Scarab, dragonfly, ladybug, or butterfly? The correct answer is option A, scarab. What is shark skin like? Hairy, smooth and soft, covered with fine hair, or covered with placoid scales? The correct answer is option D, covered with placoid scales. What is the name of the animal shown in the picture below? Hedgehog, field rat, skunk, or opossum? The correct answer is option D, opossum. Chameleons cannot move one eye without moving the other. Is this statement true or false? The statement is false. From which part of their body do butterflies sense the taste of food? Antennae, feet, wings, or eyes? The correct answer is option B, feet. What is the skeleton of sharks made of? Cartilage, bone, chitin, or limestone? The correct answer is option A, cartilage. What is the name of the animal shown in the picture below? Saiga, springbok, gazelle, or oryx? The correct answer is option A, saiga. Which is the most developed sense of the rhinoceros? Vision, smell, hearing, or taste? The correct answer is option B, smell. Which of these is a poikilothermic animal, meaning its body temperature varies according to the environment? Elephant, lion, dolphin, or alligator? The correct answer is option D, alligator. To which group of insects do mosquitoes belong? Beetles, Hymenoptera, Diptera, or Lepidoptera? The correct answer is option C, Diptera. What is the fastest shark in the world? Mako shark, whale shark, hammerhead shark, or tiger shark? The correct answer is option A, Mako shark. What is the name of the animal shown in the picture below? Otter, giant otter, beaver, or seal? The correct answer is option A, otter. Which is the largest feline among the options below? Lion, jaguar, leopard, or tiger? The correct answer is option D, tiger. Which bird species lays the largest eggs? Ostrich, chicken, duck, or eagle? The correct answer is option A, ostrich. What is the name of the animal shown in the picture below? Llama, vicuña, guanaco, or alpaca? The correct answer is option D, alpaca. Approximately how long is the gestation period of an African elephant? 12 months, 18 months, 22 months, or 30 months? The correct answer is option C, 22 months. Which country is home to more than half of the world's tigers? India, China, Russia, or Indonesia? The correct answer is option A, India. What is the name of the animal shown in the picture below? Maned wolf, coyote, field fox, or gray wolf? The correct answer is option A, maned wolf. What is the name of the bird shown in the picture below? Rhea, ostrich, roadrunner, or sarima? The correct answer is option C, roadrunner. Among the following animals, which has the largest teeth? Elephant, walrus, narwhal, or hippopotamus? The correct answer is option C, narwhal. What is the name of the animal shown in the picture below? Capuchin monkey, howler monkey, chacma baboon, or spider monkey? The correct answer is option D, spider monkey. What is the approximate size of a crocodile's brain? The size of a basketball, the size of a human thumb, the size of a dog's head, or the size of a tennis ball? The correct answer is option B, the size of a human thumb. How many toes does a dog have on each hind paw? 4, 5, 3, or 6? The correct answer is option A, 4. Who is considered the father of modern entomology? Charles Darwin, Carolus Linnaeus, Jean-Henri Fabre, or Gregor Mendel? The correct answer is option C, Jean-Henri Fabre. What is the name of the animal shown in the picture below? Badger, honey badger, weasel, or ferret? The correct answer is option B, honey badger. What is the scientific name of the raccoon? Felis catus, Canis lupus, Ursus arctos, or Procyon lotor? The correct answer is option D, Procyon lotor. What are birds of prey? Birds that feed on fruits, birds that migrate long distances, birds that live exclusively in water, or birds that hunt and feed on other animals? The correct answer is option D, birds that hunt and feed on other animals. What are mammals that lay eggs called? Marsupials, monotremes, cetaceans, or rodents? The correct answer is option B, monotremes. What is the name of the fish species shown in the picture below? Angelfish, clownfish, surgeonfish, or manatee? The correct answer is option C, surgeonfish. Horses have 10 muscles in each ear. Is this statement true or false? The statement is false. Horses take about 5 years to reach adult size. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. Rhinoceroses can sleep both standing up and lying down. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. Which is the only mammal that does not have vocal cords? Bat, elephant, giraffe, or platypus? The correct answer is option C, giraffe. The wild cat called Manil is also known by which other name? Desert cat, Pallas's cat, Andean cat, or Siberian cat? The correct answer is option B, Pallas's cat. What is the name of the science responsible for classifying living beings? Biology, ecology, taxonomy, or genetics? The correct answer is option C, taxonomy. What is the largest tiger species in the world? Bengal tiger, Siberian tiger, Indochinese tiger, or Malayan tiger? The correct answer is option B, Siberian tiger. What is the most poisonous frog in the world? Cane toad, common toad, glass frog, or golden poison frog? The correct answer is option D, golden poison frog. Which of these branches of zoology is responsible for the study of insects? Ornithology, entomology, herpetology, or ichthyology? The correct answer is option B, entomology. What type of vertebrates are sharks? Chondrichthyes, osteichthyes, amphibians, or reptiles? The correct answer is option A, chondrichthyes. What is the name of the animal shown in the picture below? Wild boar, peccary, tapir, or babirusa? The correct answer is option D, babirusa. What is the name of the bird shown in the picture below? Jacu, Serima, Rhea, or Pega? The correct answer is option B, Serima. The Indian elephant is the largest subspecies of Asian elephant. Is this statement true or false? The statement is false. What is the name of the animal shown in the picture below? Jellyfish, Portuguese man-o'-war, sea wasp, or medusa? The correct answer is option C, sea wasp. What color are the feathers of newborn flamingos? Blue, pink, gray, or red? The correct answer is option C, gray. How many teeth does an adult dog have? 28, 30, 42, or 44? The correct answer is option C, 42. Why do dogs often stick their tongues out? To communicate, to facilitate chewing, to strengthen facial muscles, or to regulate body temperature? The correct answer is option D, to regulate body temperature. What is the name of the animal shown in the picture below? Pheasant, parakeet, woodpecker, or peacock? The correct answer is option D, peacock. Among the following options, which is considered the most venomous animal? King cobra, blue-ringed octopus, sea wasp, or yellow scorpion? The correct answer is option C, sea wasp. What is the name of the animal shown in the picture below? Ibex, deer, aoudad, or springbok? The correct answer is option C, aoudad. How long is the gestation period of a mare? 6 months, 8 months, 11 months, or 14 months? The correct answer is option C, 11 months. What is the only snake species in the world that builds nests for its eggs? Boa, cobra, king cobra, or rattlesnake? The correct answer is option C, king cobra. Which of the following animals is an arthropod? Snail, scorpion, earthworm, or octopus? The correct answer is option B, scorpion. What is the name of the animal shown in the picture below? Loris, lemur, margay, or capuchin monkey? The correct answer is option A, loris. Which shark species is considered the laziest in the world? Nurse shark, mako shark, tiger shark, or great white shark? The correct answer is option A, nurse shark. Which of these aquatic animals is a cephalopod? Seahorse, starfish, squid, or shark? The correct answer is option C, squid. On average, how many years can a wolf live in its natural habitat? 6 to 8 years, 12 to 14 years, 9 to 11 years, or 4 to 5 years? The correct answer is option A, 6 to 8 years. Currently, in which country are animals called tarsiers found? India, Madagascar, Philippines, or Indonesia? The correct answer is option D, Indonesia. What is the largest feline in the Americas? Jaguar, puma, lynx, or tiger? The correct answer is option A, jaguar. What is the name of the dog breed shown in the picture below? Beagle, Shih Tzu, Poodle, or Yorkshire Terrier? The correct answer is option D, Yorkshire Terrier. A male water buffalo can weigh up to 1,200 kilograms. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. An adult horse has, on average, between 36 and 40 teeth. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. The Philippine flying fox is considered the largest bat in the world. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. What is the name of the animal shown in the picture below? Lemur, colugo, galago, or tarsia? The correct answer is option B, colugo. How many eyelids does a camel have on each eye? 2, 3, 4, or 5? The correct answer is option B, 3. On which continent do animals called yaks live? South America, Europe, Africa, or Asia? The correct answer is option D, Asia. Which of these shark species can survive the longest in freshwater? Tiger shark, bull shark, great white shark, or hammerhead shark? The correct answer is option B, bull shark. Which of the following reptiles is venomous? Gila monster, crocodile, iguana, or chameleon? The correct answer is option A, Gila monster. Which fish are also known as anemone fish? Clownfish, sunfish, swordfish, or butterfly fish? The correct answer is option A, clownfish. Of the current bear species, which is considered the smallest in the world? Spectacled bear, sun bear, American black bear, or brown bear? The correct answer is option B, sun bear. The venom of the giant Asian hornet can dissolve bones. Is this statement true or false? The statement is false. Which animal is the closest living relative of tapirs? Hippopotamus, elephant, rhinoceros, or domestic pig? The correct answer is option C, rhinoceros. What is the name of the animal shown in the picture below? Iguana, tega lizard, chameleon, or Komodo dragon? The correct answer is option B, tega lizard. What is the name of the animal shown in the picture below? Otter, beaver, giant otter, or seal? The correct answer is option C, giant otter. Which branch of zoology is responsible for the study of fish? Entomology, ichthyology, herpetology, or ornithology? The correct answer is option B, ichthyology. What is the average lifespan of a horse? 25 to 30 years, 40 to 50 years, 5 to 8 years, or 10 to 15 years? The correct answer is option A, 25 to 30 years. What is the name of the animal shown in the picture below? Platypus, giant anteater, echidna, or hedgehog? The correct answer is option C, echidna. What is the name of the animal shown in the picture below? Platypus, echidna, beaver, or otter? The correct answer is option A, platypus. What are the special sensory organs called that function as the sixth sense of sharks? Lateral lines, ampullae of Lorenzini, taste buds, or semicircular canals? The correct answer is option B, ampullae of Lorenzini. Which species of monkey is easily affected by laughter? Gorilla, chimpanzee, orangutan, or capuchin monkey? The correct answer is option C, orangutan. Of the following crab species, which one does not exist? Blue crab, hermit crab, fiddler crab, or thermal crab? The correct answer is option D, thermal crab. What is the average lifespan of sharks? 20 to 30 years, 60 to 70 years, 40 to 50 years, or 10 to 15 years? The correct answer is option A, 20 to 30 years. The maximum length a lionfish can grow is 30 centimeters. Is this statement true or false? The statement is false. Electric eels can produce shocks of up to 850 volts. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. The Chihuahua is a dog breed originating from which country? Mexico, Spain, United States, or Brazil? The correct answer is option A, Mexico. Which of these animals is not a natural predator of the koala? Bear, eagle, python, or Tasmanian devil? The correct answer is option A, bear. How many toes do most chickens have on each foot? 2, 3, 4, or 5? The correct answer is option C, 4. What is the name of the animal shown in the picture below? Indian tapir, seahorse, deer, or tapir? The correct answer is option D, tapir. Approximately how many months does the gestation period of a hippopotamus last? 7 months, 6 months, 9 months, or 8 months? The correct answer is option D, 8 months. From which continent does the horse originate? Africa, North America, Asia, or Europe? The correct answer is option B, North America. What is the normal body temperature of a dog? 38 degrees Celsius to 39 degrees Celsius, 27 degrees Celsius to 33 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius, or 35 degrees Celsius to 36 degrees Celsius? The correct answer is option A, 38 degrees Celsius to 39 degrees Celsius. To ensure a healthy puppy, what is the minimum recommended time it should stay with its mother? 2 weeks, 4 weeks, 8 weeks, or 12 weeks? The correct answer is option C, 8 weeks. The sperm whale is the largest toothed animal in existence. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. Female flies are slightly larger than males. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. Which species of shark can live more than 400 years? Hammerhead shark, great white shark, tiger shark, or Greenland shark? The correct answer is option D, Greenland shark. How many bones does a dog have? 206, 307, 270, or 321? The correct answer is option D, 321. What is the name of the animal shown in the picture below? Lemur, tarsia, indri, or galago? The correct answer is option C, indri. What is the name of the animal shown in the picture below? Lemur, indri, colugo, or tarsia? The correct answer is option A, lemur. What is the name of the dog breed shown in the picture below? Pug, French bulldog, English bulldog, or boxer? The correct answer is option C, English Bulldog. How many questions did you get right? Leave your answer in the comments, and don't forget to share the video with your friends and family. That's all for today, but there's still much more to come. If you consider yourself smart, click on the video appearing on your screen.